I'm Luke, that is Montu, and this is Busch Gardens, Tampa Bay. Welcome to another adventure. Deep in the heart of Africa, you will find Starbucks. I think this is a mirage behind me. We've got a Coca-Cola freestyle stand. Definitely a wise investment because the humidity here in Florida is barbaric, but it's going to be pretty good. Right, let's make our way to Cheetah Hunt. You ready, Doug?
I'm ready.
Awesome. Check it out, Falcon's Fury. Only an 888-minute wait. If you do want to see my experience on this ride, I'll leave a link to the previous vlog when I was here back in December. Oh, I don't like this. It's putting all my weight on my chest. So whilst we wait for Falcon's Fury to be fixed, we're going to head over to Scorpion, which is this crazy little coaster. It's so low to the ground, and as a result, it feels like the forces are so much more intense. So we're going to jump on board right now. Alright guys, hey, it was great. How's the food, dude? Okay, here we go. tiger's length from head to tail can reach up to 11.5 feet or 3.5 meters. Feel free to pause the video there and read all of those facts if you want. So this is the tiger viewing area. Check it out. How was that, dude? Pretty cool? Here we go. Wow. Boop. Check it out, look. This guy's staring into my soul. Boop. Wow, look at that, look. Pride of the jungle. What a ride. How was that, dude? Did you enjoy it?
That was good.
Oh wow, check it out, look. They've got a theatre here in Stanleyville. Can I have the show times, please? Oh, okay. No, I'm just kidding. Check it out, look. There's no shows today, but we're going to go enjoy some of the park's attractions instead. Check it out, guys. I've just run into the Ghostbusters. Wow. Oh yes! Check it out. As you know, I'm Lukey94. This is a Spritzer squad here at Busch Gardens, Tampa.
Come get spritz!
Oh yes!
Oh, wait, what are we doing? Choose a good one. I got sweat, it's multiplying, and I'm losing my cool. But the spritzing you're supplying, it's electrifying. Thank you.
Thank you.
Awesome. I think I could do a cooling off a little bit.
Oh yeah.
Too expensive. Yeah.
Woo, check it out. Ross, can you come here a minute? The sign says I'm not allowed to feed you.